Eyes seem pretty complex. So complex that, of course, it's crazy to think that they evolved by natural processes. But the closer you look, the simpler it gets. Now, I know I already made a video about eyes, go check that out if you want, but that was about how they work, not about how they came to be that way. So, what was the first eye? Where do you start when making such a complex organ? Well, the answer is light-sensitive cells. That's it. Organisms would use these light-sensitive cells to detect whether they were in the light or whether they were in the dark, useful for locating algae that would live near the surface in the light. And over time, natural selection favored small pits around these cells. What this allowed was for the organism to detect the direction of light, which made finding the surface much easier. The deeper the pit, the better the eye, which led to the pit closing up to have just a small opening at the front. This allowed for much better sense of direction and possibly even for a faint image. This eye works much like the camera obscura, letting a small amount of light in and projecting an upside-down image onto the back wall. Eventually, transparent cells built up over the pinhole, closing it off from debris. This also allowed the eye to fill up with its own fluid, making it more efficient. This transparent covering split over time, and the bottom layer eventually evolved into a rudimentary lens. Lenses are great because they allow for a wider, crisper image, so that the organism could actually see what type of predator they were up against. Oh, and by the way, the brain takes care of flipping the image back to normal. Further adaptations would include cones for color vision, irises for the opening and closing of the pupil, and many more. To learn more about how the eye works and how different animals have different adaptations, check out my other video on animal vision superpowers. So now you know the fascinating story about the creation of the eye by natural selection. I think they work pretty well if you ask me. Hey guys, thanks for watching this quick video. Sorry it's been a while, I was busy with school and doing summer things. I was also kinda lazy and didn't have a video idea. Speaking of things I have no idea, I had no idea the Omnitrix video would get over 7,000 views. Thank you to all who watched and shared and liked it. Well, thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, why not check out my other videos and subscribe for even more in the future. Have a wonderful day.